Unite is a new wellness platform, transforming the way people find support while reducing the stress and anxiety that comes from life's biggest transitions, challenges, and aspirations. Bridging the gap between self-help alone and therapy, the Unite app turns community-focused support into the new form of self-care. Did you know that 26% of adults, or roughly 68 million people, in the United States struggle with their well-being, happiness, and mental health? Say what? Let that sink in for a second. 1 in 4 adults standing around you right now may silently be struggling or suffering with one or more areas of their life and well-being. And yep, that number only goes up to 40 to 50% during turbulent times, as COVID showed us, and 68 to 75% if you're a part of the LGBTQ+ community or other marginalized communities. The average delay from the onset of mental health symptoms to treatment is 11 years. 11 years! In life, things can seem alright until they're not. Affordability, stigma, fear, lack of knowledge, and confidence top the reasons half of Americans don't seek professional support. But the number one reason is they prefer self-help or to manage their challenges on their own. At Unite, we know firsthand the dangers of isolation and the importance of community-based support. We firmly believe the solutions of the future lie in communities, coming together to better support the world and themselves. Introducing Social Wellness, Unite's first product. Offering curated and digestible social audio, the content on social wellness evolves as you do. A peer-to-peer support app based in and around community, individuals discover, consume, and add to content curated by experts and shared with other individuals on a similar growth and wellness path. Unite's social wellness pathway will always provide free and accessible support to communities. For those seeking a higher level of support, our team will continue to create unique and accessible opportunities to scale your wellness support. Unite's core feature, the Spark Card, inspires daily growth through constantly evolving content and connects like-minded individuals through community-based chats. Using 2-minute podcast clips to spark aha moments or a personal connection, the goal of Unite is to bring together people who are struggling, going through life's transitions, or more broadly, just simply seeking additional support through and around relevant content. Unite's social wellness pathway will always provide free and accessible support to communities. For those seeking a higher level of support, our team will continue to create unique and accessible opportunities to scale your wellness support. Unite focuses on the 12 areas of life where people often desire more support, along with categories for the LGBTQ+ community and their families, addiction and recovery, as well as activism. Users can spark these areas of life to discover self-help, find inspiration, or achieve self-empowerment. Not sure where to start? Not a problem. Unite's unique algorithms introduce users to life insights when they don't know where to start. With Unite collections, you never know what you'll discover. Expert curated collections, peer curated collections, or Unite's premium collection for specific communities' content needs and desires. Unite collections are also optimized for the web, which makes them searchable and reduces the time it takes for a person to discover the topics, experts, and communities that can better support them. A collection may just transform the way you see your life and relationships. So go ahead, try them on, and expand your perspective or overcome a challenge. Unite gamifies the wellness and community experience, allowing users to earn points that can be redeemed with experts, wellness, and educational partners, as well as digital experiences on the app. That could be a chat with an expert you really respect in an exclusive Unite group, or an in-person class at your favorite studio, or maybe that's a digital raffle ticket for a chance at asking one of your favorite celebrities a question about achieving one of your greatest goals. At Unite, we're working to build epic partnerships and reward those who are committed to their wellness and supporting others. Turbulent times, whether personally or globally, call for stronger partnerships. The next decade may be one of the most turbulent we've seen in our lifetime, and this will call on all of us to step up how we support one another. At Unite, we believe this should absolutely be rewarded. Transforming the way people find support starts with transforming the way people discover and consume content. With 1.7 million podcasts in the world, Unite for Creators turns static content into dynamic conversations for the creator and their community. If there's one thing we understand at Unite, it's that if we're going to overcome a challenge or go after our greatest aspirations, we often need a new perspective or connection to help us create that breakthrough. Working with experts, organizations, and community influencers, Unite for Creators supports all types in not only owning, but cultivating healthy conversation that supports people in transforming their lives. The core of our mission at Unite is to transform the way people find wellness support, because transforming our world starts with you, starts with us, starts with Unite. While life brings unique challenges to each of us, there is a comfort and peace that can be found in a collective group of people who share a similar challenge, transition, or aspiration. They say it takes 30 seconds to feel an emotion and 90 seconds for an emotion to pass. At Unite, we say it only takes a few seconds to spark an emotion and create a new perspective that can last a lifetime. The iconic Billy Porter said it best when he said, "At the end of the day, life is about love, community, and doing really big fucking things." So remember, when you're navigating life's transitions, challenges, or ready to do some really big things in your life, and you want a little more support, think it, spark it, do it. Unite. We invite you to join us by transforming the way people find wellness support by downloading, joining, and sharing the Unite app today. Now available on the App Store and Google Play.